Welcome to this tutorial. Today, I'm going to demonstrate how to automate the display and update of your MPN numbers in Powerlink. The exciting part is that in Powerlink, MPN numbers are now automatically populated for you. Imagine we randomly add some parts. You'll notice that the reference number fields automatically populate with 2 MPNs for the part we just added. Now, if you want to make a change, perhaps remove the second MPN number, you just hit Apply, and the part will be saved with a single MPN number. If you need to change the MPN number, or if you've saved something by mistake, simply click the Reset MPN from OEM button. This action will allow you to retrieve the MPN data from Solera once again. After retrieval, you'll see the 2 numbers we observed earlier. By hitting OK, your MPN number is reset. This demonstrates how to change an MPN for a single part and how parts are auto-populated when you add a new one. For those who need to perform bulk maintenance on all existing parts, you will find the Reset MPNs from OEM button in the bulk maintenance menu. Clicking it will display a part search window. For instance, you might use NAE to ETH to generate a list of many parts. Here, you have a list of parts, and you'll notice there are 2 options for updating them. The first option is to reset only the empty reference number fields, and the second is to overwrite existing reference number data. Let's explore these options. You can hold Shift or Control to select multiple parts that you wish to update. We'll start by trying the first option, resetting empty reference number fields only. Since they're all empty, we proceed with the changes. The outcome is that 4 parts are updated with MPN numbers, while 5 parts have no MPN available in the data. You'll notice these MPNs are updated using the Solera data source. Here's what else we can do. Let's select more parts and try the second option, overriding existing reference number data. This method processes all selected parts, regardless of whether they already have MPNs. After running this process, we successfully update 8 parts. Still, there are 5 parts without MPNs available in the data source. And that's how bulk maintenance works for MPN parts. Thank you for watching.